So guys, good morning. Good morning guys. I just woke up. As you can see, my mouth is swollen. So some of you may have seen my post on Facebook. I want to laugh but I can't. So painful to laugh. Okay, let me put it on something because I just woke up now. I want to talk about this thing, the swollen thing that's on here on my mouth. I don't know what it is. Maybe you guys can tell me and then we can help each other. Probably one of you have gone through it as well. What is it? I don't know. This thing, you can see I just woke up now. I still haven't done my bed. My bed. My bed. My bird. It's funny, but I'm trying to not to laugh. Okay, let me put on something because some of you may be irritated by my nakedness. Oh, Jesus. Guys, the things we do. It's not funny, but it is funny. How do you do this? Gosh. So I just woke up now. Like I said in the previous video that I'm now doing this thing from my bedroom. So hopefully now those who are very sensitive may be at peace or at ease. Oh gosh. So you guys, would you guys know what could be the reason why? I know why. Probably I know. I don't really know, but I did something, so I want to tell you about it. Why I have this swollen mouth here. Sorry, I speak funny. To increase the light, probably if you can see me. Where's that light? Was that light okay without that one? I don't know. Whatever it is. You guys tell me if you've been through this. I've seen one of my friends, Maraji, once had this thing. There was a picture of him circulating. People were suggesting a lot of things. So I shared a picture of this, of myself, like this morning on Facebook. So I want to see what people are saying. Where's my phone? I want to see what people are saying about what happened to me, what could have happened to me. I'll tell you what I did yesterday later. But first, let's hear what people are saying about this thing. Because people, I don't know if you can say it. It's a big swollen mouth. The top lip is swollen, it's big. It's not painful. It's just funny because I speak funny. The whole mouth inside is like big. It's like, okay. I just want to see what people are saying on Facebook. I don't know if I can share this picture that I posted on Facebook so you can see what I posted. I don't know if I can. If I do this, you see this picture? So I posted this picture of me on Facebook. Can you see that? Asking what's this? And then I said, Pela, were you my lawyer? You know. Yeah, you know, if you're African, you would know. If you wake up like this, you're like already suspecting kutubakloyi. When I laugh, it's just funny. So let's see what people are saying. You can also comment down below if you think you know why it could be the reason why people have this kind of big mouth or swollen mouth. I don't know what it's called. There's no research done on this thing. It's just me talking nonsense. So let's see. Bongani Matwela Ngobeni. He says, Esen Marakuta Hall, okay. He's just, being pity. Priska Hlobo is saying Hola. And then she also adds, sorry. Utelu uke ukisiwo. Simply translating to, when I was sleeping, probably someone was busy kissing me unaware. I don't know. And then Abigail Spongile Nkona, she's saying Vakulumise himimfi. What is mimfi in English, guys? Not bees. Bees Nyosh. What about mimfi? And Steve. So yeah, whatever it is. And then someone is just posting a meme. This meme. Let me show you this meme. Because this is what happened to me. Why I'm like that. People are weird. And then Kolani, Hongwana. He says, Mufukisa Shri. Hey. And then Nsako suggests, she's saying, Ikudzima Shinga Chai. I don't know what it means. I don't know what she's trying to say there. But people are just pitying me. But that's not what I was trying to get from people when I shared the picture. So let me tell a story what happened. So yesterday, I went to a dentist to check on my, what do you call this teeth? To this teeth here, both of them, they were just feeling funny, painful and all. So I rushed to the dentist and then the dentist checked me and then examined me, actually, because it's examining. And then he suggested, because I thought maybe I needed to do a root canal, what could be something there, maybe I have a hole, the way us black people, we grow up without taking care of our teeth, or we grow up without going to the doctor or to the dentist. Most of us die without going to a dentist, even if we do have money. The culture is not there, it's not instilled in our heads that we need to take care of our teeth. So we hardly go to the dentist. Most of us black people don't go to the dentist, even if we do have money. Most of our money, even if we do work, is spent on alcohol, women, booze, nice life, or just buying cake, sweet things. And going to a dentist is not that expensive, because my bill just to consult yesterday, it was 300 and something. It's 350 to go to a dentist just for consultation, right? But I know that if you want to wash, he's a bit pricey because he's a little bit of a specialist. So so he charges around 500 to 750 depending. So I went to the doctor. So he examined me, like I was saying, and then he told me that, because I thought maybe I would need to do a root canal or wash or do something or do a filling. You can do a filling if your tooth is broken or is cracked inside. They can actually put something in there, and then they insert something like it, like I don't know what it is. Then it becomes part of your tooth. It does look like your tooth as well. And it's not very uncomfortable. It's actually okay. You can do a filling or root canal if you have a hole inside your tooth, instead of just taking it out. Or, But then he told me that because I brush very harsh, my brushing is very harsh. Oh, I still have blankets on my... I did hair, guys. Maybe I'll tell you about my hair the other day. But today, let's talk about the teeth issue, the tooth issue. It's like teeth. So he said, I brush very harsh. I'm very, harsh when I'm brushing. I need to be soft and gentle next time. So I've opened the gums. So my gums are open. Then they're leaving the tooth or the teeth, if it's both of them, because I'm suspecting it's both of them. It used to be one, but now it feels like both of them are now exposed. So it's opened the gum. So my gums are now exposed to it's either the wind or the air that I breathe or something, just the wind blowing. Now the tooth is exposed. So that's why I feel the pain, because it was very painful. So he suggested that I need to brush softly twice a day, and I must always floss. Most of us don't floss. What is to floss? We don't know. Wangon bateka majasi va tlhoma la xikarhi ka matini va xokolela I ku flossa swilo leswiya, mara it's not the healthy way. Usually loko ya ka ka clicks va ku xavisela xilo xin'wana xa ntambu nyana so then i tirhisa xona ku flossa hi xona i xi vekela between the tooth and then you just move in between the tooth or the teeth and then you remove all the excess dirt that could be there after eating especially, and then you have to brush twice a day. So I was like, oh my gosh. So he's like, I cannot do a wash before we sorted it out. So he gave me some antibiotics. Where are they? He gave me some antibiotics and some painkillers. So I've got some antibiotics and some painkillers just to numb the pain because it is painful. Right now that I'm talking to you is painful. So I need to eat and then I can take the antibiotics and the tablet for the pain. So that's what I wanted to share, guys. Do you guys go to the dentist? Do you visit your dentist? How often do you do it? And how often do you wash your teeth? How important do you think it is? Because look at me now. I got this thing right now after going to the dentist now. So that's what I want to talk about. So I need to consult the doctor right now and find out what could be the reason, because I went to him yesterday. He suggested what he suggested, and I think it's working because after drinking the pills I didn't feel the pain, everything, it was okay. But now I just need to eat and continue with my treatment. I just brushed my teeth, guys. I should have brushed I didn't want to brush my teeth in front of you because I know it's quite irritating. So how often do you do it, guys? Do you also visit your dentist? And have you gone to a dentist and after that you have these swollen lips like me right now? Have you done it? Have you done it? No. If you did it, please advise me what could be the reason. Why is like this? So I haven't made. My bed is still not made. My bed or my bird. My bed. Bird, bed, bird. Which one it is? I don't know. So yeah, I just want to share with you guys that thing. It's a bit. It feels funny, You could wonder because I just woke up. You can see I still have my Chinese eyes. Woke up like this. So yeah, but I just also wanted to say, guys, let's visit our dentist and take off our teeth. If you do have a problem with your teeth, usually it's not that expensive, guys. It is really, really not expensive. Especially people that are working. Not that people are also getting the 350s, You can also see if you can save $50 and then ask someone to fill you up or to outclass someone to help you, and then you go to a dentist so that you don't become like me. It's quite interesting. A hillingness. You see, it's so vague. It's feeling weird. But now that I'm touching it, it feels like it's going away. That's weird. Let me see. Since I started talking, the inflammation or the swelling, it feels like it's going down. Weird. Now I can't even do that. But this side is big. But yeah, without wasting my time, guys, thanks for joining me. Talk about teeth and dentists. And the fact that us black people don't go there. We don't always visit the dentist. How important it is, So he said I must come back. The doctor said I must come back in 2 weeks to see what happens to my teeth. Because the other tooth, he discovered that it's also it's not stable. It's unstable. Is that the word to say it's unstable? Radzinginyika. Yeah, radzinginyika. So it's unstable. It's like shaking. I don't know. Shaking is not the right way. Hi, So my tooth is not that, it's like moving. It's not supposed to move. So he said I need to treat it first. In 2 weeks' time, I need to come back and then he can examine it again, see how the gum is closing in, closing up, and then how we can move forward. Probably I will do a wash in 2 weeks. Yeah. So yeah, let me do my bed before the day starts, because it's already started. It's already after 7 now. Thank you guys for joining me. Mandla Gere, Himina. Thank you very much. Ekes dors kitwele kile nyora. I'm testing dotora. Salut. Menga titimeli.